guys, I'm gonna marinate my chicken. I'm going to fry crunchy chicken. So I've put in my aromas, put in my ginger powder, okay? Put in my ginger powder, put in my garlic powder. You can put fresh ginger, fresh garlic, okay? Use anyone you prefer. Then I'm gonna put in my cinnamon powder, okay? Little bit. Then my dry thyme, okay? Gonna go in there. So now I'm gonna, I won't say salt because I don't eat salt. So this one contains a lot of salt in there. Okay, so I'm gonna marinate it and leave it for a couple of minutes, maybe 30 minutes, 25 minutes before I start frying, and then I'll show you the process. Okay, I've removed some of the chicken skin because it's not healthy to eat chicken skin for an adult like me. Okay, chicken skin, the fat go under, the chicken fat go under. So I've removed it and marinate it, leave it there. So guys, this is my beaten egg aside, okay? That's my beaten egg aside, yeah? So that is my breadcrumbs. My breadcrumbs mixed with all-purpose flour and a little bit of cornstarch flour with black pepper and all the spices that I want in there. Oh yeah. This breadcrumbs is homemade. I made it at home by myself with my bread, okay? So I might add a little bit of black pepper again, but I've already, mixed everything in there. Okay, everything is already there. Black pepper, all the spices I want. Okay, cinnamon powder is there. Aromat powder is there. All the spices I want, they're all there. So you can put the one you prefer, okay? Pepper flake is going in there, okay? Ginger powder is there, garlic powder is there, okay, guys? So I'm going to put this one up, dip it in the egg. So you're gonna go inside the breadcrumbs. Crunchy fried chicken, Kentucky fried chicken. Look at it. Look how crispy it is. You can eat this with chips if you want. Yeah, it's good to serve with chips. That is the chips in there. Beautiful.